Who hasn't got a folder of doom? Well, certainly not me. This is mine. And if you'd like to know what I'm going to do with it, then carry on watching, and I'm happy to share what I did with these neglected pieces of paper.
Hi, I'm Joni B, inviting you to relax, play and make beautiful jelly print art with me.
So here's my smaller folder of doom. I have got many folders of doom, but I brought them out and put them into this other folder. So if I take these out, these are textured papers that I made doing the various videos, and what I thought I would do is to show you that even these pieces of paper that really I wouldn't do an awful lot with them, I'm going to spruce them up and hopefully bring them back to life. So I've put them into two piles. These are a slightly lighter version than these. Some are not too bad, some are quite horrific, a bit like this and this. So that is what I'm going to do. It's going to be a series of videos all about trying to do something with your folders of doom. So before I start to work on these jelly print papers, and even though I've got them from my folder of doom, you can actually look at them. This is just a mount board, and some of them, once you isolate them and take away the raw edges, one or two of them don't make such a bad print. So before you actually start to work on them or even throw them in the bin, have a look to see what they look like in a frame. Even this one here is quite random, doesn't look too bad with a frame around it. So even though these poor souls were living in my folder of doom, they could make quite nice abstract patterns. The other things that you can do is to put them all together and make something a little bit more interesting. So that's another idea. And here we have another idea too. So combining some of the pieces that you don't like, you can actually make quite a nice print. For those of you who like mixed media, you can cut up even the very smallest of pieces that were living in your folder of doom and make some tags like this.
It's hard to believe that these pieces started as the unloved scraps sitting in my folder of doom. But that's the real magic of the jelly plate. Nothing is ever truly a fail. It's just an unfinished background waiting for its moment. I hope this gives you a bit of hope for your own stack of uglies. From now on, we aren't thinking of binning or throwing anything in the trash can. Starting next week, I'm going to start showing you exactly how we can get from blah to beautiful. We're going to open that folder of doom together, pick out the worst offenders, and I'll walk you through the specific layers I used to rescue them. Make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications on so you can join me for the very first rescue mission next Thursday. Until then, go and find your own folder of doom, grab a beverage, and I'll see you next week.